All right, welcome everyone. This is the kind of thing I was hoping to happen when I started this series, because I had totally forgot that He-Man had a robot horse. I was sort of trying to find a cool thing to go through and bring on today, and it's like I sort of stumbled on him. I was like, oh yeah, I remember that, because I had totally forgotten he even existed. I lost the tail, and there somewhere I may still have there's an orange helmet that goes on his head too, but that was, it's got that sticker on the back. You can see the control panel in there. Got its blaster on there, and a crooked vent that 8-year-old me put on. And the rear cannon, I guess that's a cannon, I don't know. But it's pretty simple design, but it fit the, I thought they fit in there, yeah. He-Man fit in there as much as He-Man sits down. That's, I say this one really tickled me when I spotted it, and I thought that was, because it's just one of those things. I remember having it now that I've seen it, but it had been sitting in, in the storage for all these years, and it never even, I did not remember it. Hadn't thought about it since I played with it. I guess close to 40 years ago now. I guess I was 8 or 9 when He-Man was coming out. Let's see how I do. And he's actually not a whole lot of grime on this one. Really, it's a couple of spots here and there, but it's, generally speaking, pretty clean for or the dirt's all brown and it's just not showing up. But that's, get a good shot of his face here. I was just, like I said, I can't begin to tell you how thrilled I was. I'm surprised this is, I even got this, because it's sort of a, it doesn't do anything. It just sort of sits there. There's no, it doesn't, no articulated joints, no, darts that shoot out, no, it's just a plastic horse. But it's really cool. I'm so happy to have found this, and just, I was going to put He-Man in a box, but I may put him in Stridor. The name is Stridor, by the way. Stridor. I don't remember any of the, I think I remember the cartoon where they created him, Man-at-Arms, or somebody built him. I forget why they'd use him instead of Battle Cat. But that was, but there he is. Oh, there's a little more schmutz right there. Let me see if I can get in this little. Yeah, this was really a blast from the past, and really brought my day up yesterday when I found him. But anyway, there he is, Stridor, He-Man's robot horse. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, subscribe, because it's going to keep going, and I hope we'll find more things like this that I don't remember. But anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.